Ever wanted to create professional quality videos in just a few minutes? Well, Invideo AI claims to make that possible. It's a browser-based video editing tool designed for YouTube, social media, and marketing content. No prior editing experience needed. But does it actually live up to the hype? In this Invideo AI review and tutorial, I'll walk you through its features, test its AI capabilities, and find out if it's worth your time and money. Let's dive in, getting started with Invideo AI. Right from the start, Invideo makes video creation super simple. You can choose a pre-designed template, type in a script, or use its AI video generator to create content automatically. For today's test, I'll be using the AI video generator to see if it can create a promotional video. Testing the free version. Is it any good? After entering a short prompt, Invideo offers two options. 1. Stock media, which is the free version, and 2. AI-generated assets, which is the premium version and requires credits. I started with the free version to see how much it could do on its own. The result? Pretty disappointing. The AI-generated video was basically a slideshow of random stock images with generic voiceover. It misunderstood key details, adding irrelevant elements like discount offers I never mentioned. The watermark covered a huge portion of the screen unless you upgraded to premium. Even after refining my prompt multiple times, the output didn't improve much. If you're hoping for AI to do all the heavy lifting, this free version won't cut it. Next, I switched to the premium plan to see if the AI-generated media would improve. This time the video aligned better with my prompt, and the watermark was gone. It actually followed my style preferences better than before. However, some issues remained, like awkward transitions and off-topic script additions. Thankfully, Invideo does let you manually edit the AI-generated video. You can swap out stock media with your own clips, change the background music, rewrite the AI-generated script, and edit transitions and text overlays. It's a step up from the free version. Is Invideo AI worth the price? Invideo offers 4 pricing tiers but no free trial for premium features. The free plan provides limited stock footage, a watermark on videos, and basic AI tools. The Plus plan, priced at $35 per month, removes the watermark, unlocks premium stock assets, and allows more AI credits. The Max plan, at $60 per month, offers higher AI credits, better storage, and script editing. Finally, the Generative plan, costing $120 per month, provides maximum AI credits, premium features, and priority support. The downside? There's no refund policy. Once you upgrade, there's no going back. Final verdict. Should you use Invideo AI? So, is Invideo AI worth it? Well, that depends on your needs. Let's start with the pros. It has a simple and beginner-friendly interface. It's cloud-based, so no downloads are required. It offers script and voiceover editing, and it has a decent selection of stock media. Now, the cons: the free version is too limited, the AI-generated videos lack accuracy, the pricing is on the higher side with no refunds, and it lacks advanced editing features. If you just need a quick and easy AI-assisted video tool, Invideo might work for you. Want to try Invideo AI? Check the link in the description. And if you're interested in better alternatives, I've also linked my top AI video tool reviews. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tool breakdowns. See you next time.